Crash Course on Japanese Pop Culture, an overview of Japan's popular culture, including anime, manga, video games, and fashion. Japan's pop culture is a global phenomenon that has captivated people all over the world. From anime and manga to video games and fashion, Japan's pop culture has something for everyone. Anime. Anime is a style of Japanese animation that has become increasingly popular around the world. It covers a wide range of genres, from action and adventure to romance and comedy. Some popular anime series include Dragon Ball, Naruto, One Piece, and Attack on Titan. Anime has also spawned numerous adaptations, including live-action films and TV dramas. Manga. Manga is a style of Japanese comic book that has become a worldwide phenomenon. It covers a range of genres, including action, adventure, romance, and horror. Some popular manga series include One Piece, Naruto, Bleach, and Death Note. Manga has also been adapted into anime, live-action films, and TV dramas. Video games. Japan is a major player in the video game industry and has produced some of the most iconic games of all time. From Super Mario Bros. To Pokemon, Japan's video games have had a significant impact on popular culture. Some other popular Japanese video games include Final Fantasy, Street Fighter, Resident Evil, and Metal Gear Solid. Fashion. Japan's fashion is known for its unique and creative styles. From the traditional kimono to modern streetwear, Japan's fashion scene is always changing and evolving. Harajuku, a neighborhood in Tokyo, is famous for its eclectic fashion style, where people mix and match different fashion styles to create their own unique look. Interesting stories/examples. In 2016, Your Name, an anime film directed by Makoto Shinkai, became a global box office success and broke records in Japan, becoming the highest-grossing anime film of all time. The manga series One Piece, written and illustrated by Eiichiro Oda, has been running since 1997 and has sold over 480 million copies worldwide. Japan's video game industry has produced some of the most innovative and groundbreaking games, including Super Mario Bros. And The Legend of Zelda. Japanese fashion has influenced the global fashion scene, with designers such as Yohji Yamamoto and Rei Kawakubo gaining international recognition for their avant-garde designs. In recent years, cosplay, costume play, where people dress up as their favorite anime, manga, or video game characters, has become a popular trend in Japan and around the world. Overall, Japan's pop culture is diverse and constantly evolving, with new trends and styles emerging every year. It has become a major part of global popular culture and continues to captivate audiences around the world. Here are the top 12 popular Japanese video games. 1. Super Mario Bros., 1985. Developed by Nintendo, Super Mario Bros. Is one of the most iconic video games of all time. It features the famous plumber Mario as he tries to save Princess Toadstool from the evil Bowser. 2. Final Fantasy VII, 1997. Final Fantasy VII is a role-playing game developed by Square Enix. It is widely regarded as one of the best RPGs of all time and has spawned numerous sequels and spin-offs. 3. The Legend of Zelda, Ocarina of Time, 1998. Developed by Nintendo, The Legend of Zelda, Ocarina of Time is an action-adventure game that follows the hero Link as he tries to save the land of Hyrule from the evil Ganondorf. 4. Pokémon Red and Blue, 1996. Developed by Game Freak, Pokémon Red and Blue are the first games in the Pokémon series. They are role-playing games where players collect and train creatures called Pokémon to battle against other trainers. 5. Metal Gear Solid, 1998. Developed by Konami, Metal Gear Solid is a stealth action game that follows the hero Solid Snake as he tries to stop a group of terrorists from launching a nuclear strike. 6. Resident Evil 4, 2005. Resident Evil 4 is a survival horror game developed by Capcom. It follows the hero Leon S. Kennedy as he tries to rescue the president's daughter from a village infected with a virus that turns people into zombies. 7. Street Fighter II, 1991. Developed by Capcom, Street Fighter II is a fighting game that introduced many of the mechanics that are now standard in the genre. It features a roster of memorable characters, such as Ryu, Ken, and Chun-Li. 8. Sonic the Hedgehog, 1991. Developed by Sega, Sonic the Hedgehog is a platformer that stars the blue hedgehog Sonic as he tries to stop the evil Dr. Eggman from taking over the world. 9 Dragon Quest III, 1988. Developed by Square Enix, Dragon Quest III is a role-playing game that is widely regarded as one of the best in the series. It features a vast world for players to explore and a deep combat system. 10 Chrono Trigger, 1995. Developed by Square Enix, Chrono Trigger is a time-traveling RPG that is widely regarded as one of the best of all time. It features a memorable cast of characters and an innovative combat system. 11 Persona 5, 2016. Persona 5 is a role-playing game developed by Atlus. It follows a group of high school students as they try to change the world by stealing the hearts of corrupt adults. 12 Monster Hunter World, 2018. Developed by Capcom, Monster Hunter World is an action RPG that tasks players with hunting down giant monsters in a vast open world. It features deep crafting and upgrading systems and has become one of the best-selling games in the series. Here is a poem on Japanese pop culture. Japan's pop culture is a sight to behold, full of colors, stories, and legends untold. From anime to manga, there's so much to explore. A world of imagination, with so much more. In Tokyo, the fashion is vibrant and bold. Harajuku girls, with styles that unfold. From Lolita to goth, their creativity is grand. A world of fashion, so unique and grand. Anime and manga, a world of its own. Characters with powers, yet so alone. From Naruto to Sailor Moon, their stories are real. A world of anime, that we can feel. Video games, a world of adventure. A world of heroes, with hearts full of treasure. From Mario to Final Fantasy, their quests are grand. A world of games, that we can understand. Japan's pop culture, so full of life. A world of art, with so much light. From ancient traditions to modern day. A world of pop culture, here to stay. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.